Hi, my name is Angela and I am representing Team 7. In this video today, I'm going to be giving you a brief summary on how much do credit card companies know about you. In today's society, I'm sure each of you can look in your wallet and pull out a Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. I'm sure each of you have also been bombarded with credit card offers in your mailbox from different organizations like Bank of America, Chase, CitiCard, and several others. Those creditors you carry in your wallet or have received offers from have a new approach of finding out information about you, the cardholder, every time you swipe your card and their future cardholders. This new approach is called credit card profiling. Credit card profiling system allows credit card companies to record the sale of a purchase, which is then stored into a massive repository maintained by the credit issuer. When the data receives a purchase, it is assigned a 4-digit category code describing that purchase that was made. There are separate codes for different categories like grocery store, fast food restaurants, doctor's offices, bars, bail and bond payments, and dating and escort services. With these category codes, it allows a card issuer to obtain a great deal of data and to learn about each of its customers at a glance. An example of the credit card profiling is Susie received a letter in the mail from her credit card company. They informed Susie that her credit limit was going to be decreased by 60%. This wasn't because Susie was late on her payment or had bad credit. The letter simply stated the decrease was because other cardholders who have used their card at establishments where Susie has recently shopped have had poor repayment history with our credit card company. Susie simply had begun shopping at Walmart. In this day and age, this is the effect of the new credit card profiling done by our credit card companies. Credit card companies have also reported their profile has determined cardholders who buy premium birdseeds will pay their bill on time. Also, cardholders that buy chrome accessories for their car are profiled to have a greater chance of paying their bill late. Data that is obtained isn't just used for profiling, it's also used for targeting future promotions for additional products more accurately. An example of this would be a cardholder who uses their credit card for rental cars would then start receiving promotional offers for future car rentals. Have you also ever been out using your card or trying to make a purchase and your card was declined? Of course, if your card is declined, I'm sure you called your card issuer to find out they froze your card. This is because the data implemented in their system is helping cardholders to avoid becoming victims of fraudulent activity. The system is able to identify unusual activity or purchases compared to the cardholder's normal purchase activity. Another instance is the data is also helping law enforcement track down criminals. Next, it's important in today's time that credit card companies focus on extracting credit card data to predict cardholders posing a high risk. Cardholders who only pay the minimum payment, accrue fees, and never pay their balances off have been a major profit for credit card companies. However, due to the crash of the economy, people losing their jobs, it has actually turned cardholders into liabilities due to defaults on payments and filing for bankruptcy. Today, data-driven psychologists are now in high demand. They are being used to screen out risky debtors and also to determine which cardholders will need a phone call to persuade them to make a payment. The majority of our major credit card companies have also set up a system to filter through card data for signs of cardholders who are going to eventually stop making payments. The data is also monitoring the time of day cardholders are logging into their account to check their balance. You may be asking yourself, why are they knowing when I'm checking my account? Well, they have concluded that a cardholder logging in at 2 a.m. could be suffering from sleeplessness due to anxiety because of financial difficulties. Again, having this wealth of information to help them understand their customers and try to make a personal connection, especially to those who owe them money, the information has shown that cardholders that feel more comfortable with companies are more likely to get their debts paid. In conclusion, credit card companies are implementing systems to develop a more fine-grained profile to help them understand their customer lives and troubles. The data is also giving them insight about how their purchase can determine who has the ability or inability to pay off their balances or other debt. Lastly, it is helping them to deny credit card applications or shrink the amount of credit available to high-risk customers. The fine-grained profiles are also helping identify the most reliable credit-worthy cardholders. The days are gone of just giving anyone a credit card. The credit card companies are now focusing on improving applications for customers most likely to honor their debts, which is being used by our systems implemented to verify their profiles.